Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question and a topic of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equal to p to the power of 4 over 5 for all values of p? Now let's write it down. P to the power of 4 over 5. And we tell this in our exponents playlist always that there is a rule and you cannot achieve your answer without this rule. So write yourself a root down, right? That's more helpful, at least for me. And the numerator, this 4, stays always inside of the root and next to the p, right? Like this. And this 5, the denominator, is outside of the root. So let me show you how this works. P to the power of 4 is inside of the root, and the 5 is outside of the root. That's how this works, and that's how you solve these type of questions. This is the choice A. And we have several videos of every topic in our playlists. Different playlists to any topic you need in the SATs. We highly suggest you to watch 1 or 2 videos, and after you understand it, watch more videos, but stop them before you watch them. Solve it yourself first and check the answers afterwards, because you learn more of it. And that's a better way to understand the SATs. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, always comment down below. Thank you.